Hey, welcome back, everybody. This is the Infected, and I am Gmo. And today we are going to try and fix some of these spikes if we can. Oh, I'm going to have to grab some. Actually, I'm going to put away a few things here. We got to have an empty box. I'm going to empty everything out of my inventory, and then we are going to, or I should say, empty everything from the last attack we had. And as you can see, it is, oh, here, let me get out of that. It is day 113. It's 2:43 a.m. We just had our last attack, and we are going for our next one pretty soon. But we're going to try and do a little repair here, and then we're going to slaughter all that, oops, all our animals we have here, and make some meat stews once we get around here. Oh, oh man, I'm trying to use the upgrade hammer. That's why it's not working. We need the stone hammer. Stone hammer's the repair hammer. That's why we didn't get that one fixed in time. There you go. Get all these. Oh man, that one was almost gone. Oh, stone hammer broke. Wish they'd make a better one than that. Okay, how do you make a stone hammer? Okay. Like that's a hard one. Oh. I think that was, oh, wait a minute, was that one stick or three sticks? Oh, that was a good horde night we had. Oh, I need a rope too. Okay. I get out of the inventory. Okay. Um, yeah, it's slowly getting stronger and stronger for us, which is good. That's what we want. We want to see how long it's going to take. They almost got in. That door was wide open on them, and he could have. He could have got in, but instead he turned around and decided, let's climb on top. So they're not too bright, are they? Somebody's just need one hit or one shard like there. But like I said, I haven't. Oh man, that one was about to go. I haven't upgraded any of these pretty much since we put these down. So that's not bad at all. I think the most you have to fix these with is 4. And it costs, I think, 20 shards to build. And they're holding up pretty good. But I think when we get around 20, 30 of these guys attacking, these will not hold. And they'll probably start breaching the fences. That's when the fun begins. route. Where we at? All right, we're in the backside. Oh, we're real close coming all the way around. That's not bad. Take the rest of these. Can I carry all of them? Yep. And there's quite a few in there. Just hit H on that. Get rid of all that sand. I don't need that sand. Not making any more glass. We still got tons of that. Boy, those hammers don't last. That brand new hammer is... What the heck? Oh, that's the old one, old style. That's why. It's not an upgraded one. That's not an upgraded one either, but there's upgraded in there. That's okay. I'm more worried about these good ones. Okay. As far as I'm concerned, we're good to go for the next one. We are good to go. Look at that. Now let's go slaughter some animals. Make some meat stews. Get them ready so if we can find ourselves some chickens, we'll be all set. That is all right. Okay, put that away. And I'm going to utilize this box here to throw any excess meat in. I double checked the garden just to make sure that the garden had the onions and the potatoes were done, which they are. So we're good there. All right. Oh, you know what we should do? Before I do anything, go over to the sink, wash our hands. There's not really much meat here, but raccoons don't give us much meat. But since this meat here is spoiling, let's go ahead and take the meat off these. Don't fall off. Oops, not what I want. I want to pick that meat. And then move these, because the deer is going to give us a decent amount of meat. We might as well start hanging our meat again. I mean, if it spoils, that's fine. We can live with that. We just hang on to one of these. And we'll go ahead and grab a potato and an onion to make our meat stew. And then put that in the fridge. Because the fridge will hold the... oh, there's a box for us too. We will throw... This will be all the new beef jerky, if you want to call it that. Okay, let's see. We're gonna need 3 onions. Yeah, I was debating whether I wanted to grab more. Because we can make the onion soups. We'll do that later. And actually, that's why we needed to make extra potatoes. That's 2. That's more than plenty there for the potatoes. Okay. Now, oh, what am I doing? Food prep table's up here. Go to the food prep table and we put our liver, our meat, onion, potato, meat stew. That's why I was thinking about putting a refrigerator up here. This way we can throw it in the fridge up there. But that's okay. Oh yeah, I got 4 onions in here. I forgot. I picked all them. So we got 2 meat stews in here ready to go. Is that a reflection down below or is there something? No, just a reflection. So we got spare onions in there. Okay, that's the deer. We'll take the raccoon. Okay, Mr. Raccoon. We're going to utilize you. Oh, yeah. Chop, chop, chop. Actually, we're going to get the other one, too. Oh, dear. What can we do? How much do we have in here? I don't want to take a chance on losing a lot of the meat. Yeah, it shouldn't be that much. At least I don't think so. We'll find out in a second. See if it flops up all kinds of stuff. Nope, it didn't. Okay, we're good. Let's see, the skies are still red. Okay. We have everything we need. Yes, we do. We got liver, meat, onion, potato, meat, liver, onion, potato. And how about a drink of water while we're at it? That one's low. We'll refill that when we go down to put this in the fridge and wash our hands. Because we is bloody. There. Get a refill. Get a refill. And then there we go. 2 more meat stews. Now we can cook these as is on the stove. And like I was saying before, we will get that 0.5 boost. But they have to stay in the fridge. And they do have a spoil timer on them. I'd rather make the ration pack because we get the zero point 0.5 health, stam, thirst, and a sun resistance, and they have no spoil timer on them. But now let's see if we can get this meat hanging upstairs. Do a switch around all this stuff here. That stuff's sitting there spoiling. We can eat some more of this. Bring our proteins back up since this guy is doing nothing but catnap now. Is that maxed up? Yeah, I guess so. Get some more water in him. I mean, I could utilize and make biofuel out of that for our dirt machine, but I really don't think we need the biofuel right now. I don't even know when we're going to be able to go back to Croc Lake. The way things are going with the with all of our vamp attacks, we'll figure it out once things start slowing down a little bit. I sort of like the attack every night. It's pretty fun so far. Wow, is that drying out already? Okay, grab that. Put that here. Yeah, this stuff is eventually going to spoil on us because we really don't need all this meat. Don't really need all the biotoxin either. Or biotoxin, biofuel because of the oil pump. But just in case, because the canned goods don't really give us the protein we need. This really boosts up our protein. And you know, doesn't hurt to have this. Oh, you know what? I've been jumping off over here, so put that there, then remove it. I'll go ahead and leave this one over here. Okay, the rest of that meat I can throw in. Did I throw it in there? No, I was throwing it downstairs. Need to take that. Leave that spoil meat there. Not really doing anything with it. You can eat the spoiled meat too, by the way. It takes some of your thirst, but it is edible. Not really good, but it's edible. Oh, I still got that on me. I wouldn't eat it. Actually, I shouldn't say that because I have. In the beginning, I ate it. Desperate times call for desperate measures. And I think the stuff that spoiled right away was the fish. That was all the fish that spoiled. Because I had a whole bunch of fish in there. Boy, that's old. All right. Well, I could do some canning. Actually, hoping to get my hands on some chicken. All right. And I still haven't figured out what I'm going to do with that. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. The only other thing I think we could have done is maybe gone up a half a wall on top of that wall, but I don't know if you could do that. But a little late now. I'm not going to try and rebuild all that. Hey, that didn't line up at all. That one lined up with that, but that one didn't. Oh well. I ain't going to lose sleep over that either. All right, those can probably be put back downstairs. But it's looking good. The only thing I wish we could paint this. Okay. Should put some, oh, you know what? You know what would look good? This. I just thought about that. Roof. These. Come on. Put that there. That there. And then railing. That. I think that would look good. These are that one right there. Because then they would match. I wouldn't be able to jump down unless I jump over it. I think that would look cool. Actually, I don't even need that heater except just to keep this warm. Since that water house does not water up here. Where did I put those watering containers? Did I put those up here? Okay, yeah, I did. Actually, you know what? We could build a bunch of those because if you step on this, you automatically fall down. And I could make a bunch of those water bottles. So I can put plants in here for winter time. No, because I have those. Once we fill this all the way up. Because you figure there'd be placing them that way. 1, 2, 3. Another 4 to 5 in here. Oh, yeah. And if I get my butt on canning, which I don't know if I will, but. Well, anyways, yeah, I think that might look. It would look nicer if this was glass. They don't have glass in that. Oh, wait a minute. Do they have a glass wall? Half wall? Stairs, walls. Oh, it's that high. I like the lower look. I think that might be too funky. Well, we'll see. Let's see. We got that butchered up. Could run around looking for chickens. We got a little bit of time. It's only 8 a.m. We already got the fence upgraded. And we got a Bambi coming in. Where you at, buddy? I know you just heard me or seen me, so. And I hear you. Oh, there you are. Hey, buddy. Oh, you took 3 hits? Oh, you gave me a biofuel, and I just noticed my spear is in great need of sharpening. Been using this thing a lot. Wow, that thing was definitely in need of sharpening. What about my axe? Yeah, might as well put a little bit more of an edge on the axe. What else do I have? Might need sharpening. Can't sharpen that. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, just leave those there. Boy, does this look different when you lower the foliage down to pretty much nil. You see all the plants. I don't know if I like it like this. I might have to put it back. You can really see everything, though. I can see all the logs from when I cut them down where they're laying. Now I know why people play like this. All the ones over here that I cut down that I couldn't find. Yeah, you know what I need to do? I need to bring it back up a little bit at least. Because this is just like an unfair game now when it comes to this. Hey, buddy. Oh, I just tried to stab you and I didn't have anything out. Lift your head up. How can I miss you? Holy cow, am I wasting arrows or what? Oh, screw this. You got one in you. Oh, about time you died. I'll leave my arrows there. I know where you're at. That actually came from a subscriber. He says shoot an arrow into the ground where you have a kill. And I want to thank you for that. Huh? Let's make another meat stew, huh? Wow. Yeah. He said shoot a arrow, not like 5 arrows. Okay. Well, that's another meat stew. I think I got another onion ready. I'll have to go check. I know we got potatoes. I got potatoes in my inventory. Onion. Oh, that wasn't that. That just highlighted. Onion. Mr. Onion. Another deer? Oh, man. We're going to be in the meat stew business. People are going to be coming to us from far and wide for meat stews. Oh my God, a pumpkin in our courtyard. Where are you at this time? Oh, I see you. See if I can shoot this one properly. I missed. Get out of the way. Oh, darn. Probably kiss that arrow goodbye. Give me a cart. Let's try chasing that guy down. Don't run into a bear. Oh, guess we're full. Where you? I heard a bear. Hey, Mr. Bear, where are you at? Let's see, what's our health at? Why is our health low? What time is it? Yeah, we got time. Okay. Wasn't he over here? I should have shot an arrow. Oh, he's right there. Okay, Mr. Chicken. We need your eggs. Thank you for your eggs. We appreciate your donation. Sorry, I was a little quiet there. Sort of concentrating. All right, now we got some eggs too. Couple deer. We got some eggs. I put those eggs in there. We do have the extra onions here. I got an onion on me. Put that onion in the fridge real quick. Chicken. I'm not worried about that. Can spoil. That might be the bear. No, not the bear. It's Bambi somewhere. Yep. He just died over here. See what goodies you got. Oil can. Okay. I'll put that oil can in here. Yep, because this thing's empty. Perfect timing. Give you the oil can and we'll give you the biofuel. Turn your bag on. Oh, okay. Well, we got some slaughtering to do. I got 2 little deers. I'll move this out of the way. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Before you do any slaughtering, we have to get rid of this. And actually, we might as well do something with that chicken. This thing got, no, it ain't got no juice. I'll give it some juice. No problemo. Throw that there. Might as well cook that chicken. What the heck? That chicken was kind enough to donate. Oops. Donate to the Feed GMO Fund. I'm just hoping they have it to where if you can catch the chicken, You can domesticate it with chicken coops. That is what I really want. All right, let's grab a nut. Oh yeah, let's just grab the onions from here. We need... Got potatoes on me. Got 2 eggs. I could, I could make that pack right away. Another meat stew. Oh, I don't think we can hang anything, can we? Yeah, we can. Look at that. Oh, you know what? I ain't worried about this meat spoiling as much as I'm worried about the meat stew. Pretty soon we're just going to be end up cooking these things because we don't get eggs as much as I'd like. Because I wish we can get eggs all the time. That's why a chicken coop would be an awesome addition to this game. Because if we could have a chicken coop, even if we only got like 1 or 2 eggs a day, I mean, that would be, to me, a major, major plus to the game. Per chicken. Because you can outrun them chickens. Oh, yeah, as you see. The only way I can kill them, I can't kill them with that arrow. But I could definitely run them down with the spear. Well, if this was a multiplayer game, I'd definitely keep everybody fed. I'd definitely get enough of beef jerky. Okay, throw these other 2 in the raw meat thing because I'm going to get another batch of this. Just like when I was at the Gators. Oh my God, do we have so much meat? It wasn't funny. All right, I need another onion. Just do this real quick. Nice clean hands again. Oh yeah. Give me an onion. Tater and an onion, and give me a deer. I'm sorry, deer. Put you up here. I don't know why I just cleaned my hands. Because I just had to slaughter this thing. Whoa. I am heavy. Can I jump when I'm heavy? Good. I think it's this one here. Yep. Oh yeah, feathers can go in there. Animal fat wasn't going in there, but it is now. Oh, that light's on my way. Oh crap. Okay. Let's get upstairs and make some stuff. Got the meat and the taters and the onions, and we got another meat stew. Woohoo! Wow. Yeah, we need a lot of chickens around here. Let's look at that. 6 meat stews. Oh, you know what? We might as well. These are the older ones. Oh, let's get rid of all this excess meat. There's just so many meals we could make, especially with this meat. You got liver and onions. Um, yeah, ham and eggs, bacon and eggs. Now, granted, I don't know anything about programming, so I don't know what the aspects on it is. Okay, come on, get the egg. There you go. Let's go ahead and make one of them ration packs. I think we need 3 mushrooms and a melon. Oh, he died. Oh, I'm so sorry you died. Not really. Okay, 3 mushrooms and a melon. And 3 mushrooms. Did I get the 3 mushrooms? Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, so we need the melon, that. All right, another ration pack. Beautiful. Good. That's what I like to see. I like to see a plan coming together. Put those in there. All right. We're going to make this a little shorter episode. It's 2:30. We got plenty of time before the Horde night tonight, so this episode won't have a Horde battle in it. This was just a killing Bambi, making some meals episode, pretty much. And because I want to readjust this, because I don't like the idea that this is way too low. Oh, yeah, and you died there. I'm sorry. Oh, I got to wash my bloody hands. But if you enjoyed this episode, please hit that like and subscribe button. And I will see you on the next episode where we will be fighting the next horde. I don't know which one this is. 16 or 17 Vambies. But I will see you on the next episode. And like I say, please hit that subscribe button. I would definitely appreciate it. And I'll see you at the next horde. All right. Bye-bye for now.